What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. Today I have another install video for you guys, and as you guys can see, we are going to be doing it on the G80. Today I'm going to be installing the ONEUPLIGHTING underglow kit. You guys can go on to the Instagram if you guys want to pick up a kit for your cars. You guys have the underglow kit that pretty much goes around the chassis, another one for the interior. But today I'm just going to go ahead and install the one that goes around the vehicle. I'm going to show you guys in just a little bit what comes in the box. But before we get started, do me a huge favor and hit the like button, smash the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, turn on your notifications, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this modification. It is very controversial. A lot of people kind of feel like it kind of rices out the car. From my own personal opinion, honestly, I really do love the way it really enhances the car, especially at night. Once it starts getting dark, you know, most of the mods that we do to these cars are really not noticeable unless you have you're running an underglow kit like this. And honestly, like I said, for me, it's one of my favorite mods. It brings up a different style of the car. As you guys can see, I am wearing the Daniel M Life merch. It's now available. You guys will find t-shirts. You guys will find hoodies. I also have coffee mugs. If you guys are interested in coffee mugs or, you know, whatever, like I mentioned before, those are available. I am also getting some stickers ready for you guys. So if you guys want to go ahead and support the channel, that's one of the ways that you guys can support the channel. Another way that you guys can support the channel is by hitting the subscribe button and commenting down below. Share the videos. Let me know what you guys think about all the modifications that are going on the G80. Like I said, we are going to be installing the ONEUPLIGHTING underglow kit. So let me go ahead and open this up for you guys. I do love the way that they package their items. This is the 5th or 6th kit I get from them. Not all of them have gone on my vehicles. I've put them on other cars. On the kit, you guys will get zip ties. You'll also get little brackets with screws. I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the 3M. For me, it's sufficient. As long as I clean up the surface areas where the 3M is gonna be making contact. Alright guys, and here is the beautiful Daytona Violet G80. And like I had mentioned, we are sitting so amazing on the KWV3s. This thing looks amazing. And I have a small layout of the lights. Now you're gonna have the lights that are gonna go in the front, the lights that are gonna go in the middle section of the car, and then ultimately the last set of lights that will go in the rear of the bumper. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the zip ties and then show you guys exactly how I'm gonna lay it out on the car. Alright guys, so this is the quick mock-up of what the lights are gonna look like once they're installed on the vehicle. As you guys see, we have to put 2 strips together in the front. Make sure that you guys put them as close as possible, that way there's no gap in the lighting sequence. And then we come to the rear. Now we come to the middle section. Make sure that you guys try to line it up in the middle of the side skirt. That way it's not too much to the front nor too much to the back. You just want it right in the middle. Tuck in the wires neatly, and then we come to the rear. In the rear, we have the same action as the front, but we do have the Bluetooth module and also the cables that we need to get the power from. As you guys can see, it comes very conveniently with a fuse. I'm gonna go ahead and tap into the fuse box, which is just behind this cover over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose one of those fuses to power my lights, and then I'll show you guys the rest of the install. Alright, so I'm doing the editing of the ONEUPLIGHTING underglow install. This kit is amazing, as you guys will see at the end of the video when I take it to a different location for a nice video. I'm gonna show you guys how I went ahead and did my lighting sequence in the front and also the middle section in the rear. But for now, this is the front. As you guys saw, I was able to install the underglow behind the slip low. It sits very nicely, very hidden, and the whole lighting strip looks amazing. That's a very nice amount of coverage. Right here at the ends, I was not able to bump them against each other just because the whole strip was a little too long But as you guys can see, it's just a small section that I was able to just kind of put side by side. That came out really good. When the car is on the ground, you do not see any of the LED strips, and that's what you want on the install. Now let's move over to the middle section. As you guys can see, we have a very nice lid middle section, and this is where I was able to install my LED strips. Beautiful side skirt that has this opening on the inside, and I was able to just clean up everything very thoroughly with alcohol, and the double-sided tape is just sitting on there. Incredible. I mean, it's performing really well. Now let's move over to the rear. In the rear, I was able to set the LED strips right after this wing lid. As you guys can see, the LED just goes in there really nicely, really follows the heat shielding, and it comes out right by the exhaust tips. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video right here, and we'll pick it up right where we left off. So after testing which fuse was gonna go ahead and give me the power, and then also running the ground wire, this is the final result, you guys. Everything is finally done. As you guys can see, everything is functioning properly. If I take you guys to the back and show you guys where the fuse box is, you guys cannot see where any wires are hooked up to. And most importantly, the battery is clean. There's no wires being run from it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car. I'm gonna go get it ready for tonight's photo shoot. I'll show you guys what the car looks like with the lights on at night. So stay tuned, guys. If you guys are enjoying the content, make sure that you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, turn on your notifications, and follow me on Instagram, guys. That's where I'm posting most of the updates. And also, if you guys are looking to pick up the ONEUPLIGHTIng kit, put all their info in the description down below. This is not a paid advertisement. I actually bought the lights with my money. Alright guys, so as we move to the back, you guys can see that the underglow lighting really highlights the exhaust. So I'm gonna go ahead and move to a different location to give you guys a little bit better lighting of what the paint looks like with the underglow. Alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and conclude the install of the ONEUPLIGHTIng underglow kit for the BMW M3. I love this mod, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this mod. Just that it actually brings, you know, like a little bit more to the car. At night, you guys really can't tell that this thing is special. But with this, it kind of makes you look at it even more. And I mean, the yellow DRLs with the lighting, it's a beautiful contrast. The ride height, it's perfect. So you guys can tell the KW coilovers have settled so good. I do need the oil cooler, transmission cooler that I need for the front because it's gonna have a mesh. Having this new grill leaves my front oil cooler a little bit more exposed, so I would definitely benefit from getting the CSF oil cooler. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys are interested in picking up a set of your own underglow kit for your car, check out ONEUPLIGHTIng on Instagram or online. I love the back the most just because I was able to install the lights in a location where you cannot see the LEDs, and that is because the diffuser is a little short. They don't extend all the way to the bottom of the car, so I was able to put it in a better location. I love that. That's gonna go ahead and do it for the video. So if you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. Turn on your notifications. Drop a comment. Again, let me know what you guys think. I do have a few more modifications for the engine bay. We just went ahead and talked about one of them. There's going to be a couple more coming down, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.